I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation. This is a look at how to load film into the Instax SQ6 camera. So I'm going to flip this camera over. I'm going to just pop open the back here. And this just pops down, and then this whole back is going to open up. And now I've got my film. This is my Instax square film. Make sure you get square, and it comes in this foil package. So you can just find there's a little hook at the top here, a little notch. I'm going to go ahead and tear that open. Okay, so here is our film pack. Now what you're going to look for, and one thing to note, don't press here at all or on the back. You can see it has this little note, don't press here. It's because this is spring loaded and this has the actual film inside of it. So don't press on those, just hold it ideally from the side or just being careful not to press in. Look for the yellow tab on the film, then look for the yellow tab on the camera. And you want to align those two tabs, and that's going to show you that you've got the film in the right way. So there it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and close the back, switch the camera on, and whenever you do this with an Instax camera, the first exposure that you take is actually going to be the dark slide that protects the film when it's in the case. So as soon as you load it, you want to press the shutter button one time. It's going to eject that dark slide. Don't pull it until it's all the way out. And now this camera is loaded and ready to go.